Welcome back to Ruby's Recipes. Now we are here with Jack to make a delicious party treat. So Jack, what do you think would be a good treat for Ruby's birthday?
Popcorn.
Oh, good call. So what do you think? I got an idea of maybe instead of just doing plain old popcorn, how about we make a pizza popcorn?
Sounds good.
You in? All right, let's go. So the first thing I think we're gonna do is we're gonna take some of our Parmesan cheese, and you're gonna measure some of that and dump it right into the Cuisinart for me. Yep, just scoop it right up.
Yep.
So now Jack is putting some sun-dried tomatoes in there. That's gonna give you that sauce pizza feeling flavor.
Do you think it's gonna taste just like pizza?
Yeah. Maybe.
Maybe.
Maybe. No doubts, no worries. I think we'll get there. All right. And then in this bowl, I have oregano, basil, and some garlic salt. And you can go ahead and you can put that in there. If you want to hit that button there. Keep going. Let's stop it. We have a sun-dried tomato on the loose. We'll just take them out. That's perfect. All right, so we've already popped our popcorn in a kind of an old-fashioned popcorn maker that I love to use. You put a little oil in the bottom, you put your popcorn on there, turn the heat on, and you got a little hand crank. But we've already done that, so Jack is going to take and put some popcorn in the bag. We'll give you that.
I'll hold
Scoop
your
a little
bag.
popcorn in there. So this is something that you could do too. You could have little bags so that your guests, if you have lots of different flavorings, which we're going to go over another flavoring that you can do for your popcorn, they can pick out what flavoring they want and then put it in the bag and shake it up. And you're going to take a little bit of the oil and just squeeze a little bit of oil in there. Because the popcorn was already popped and it's not warm yet, the topping's not going to adhere to it quite as well. So we put a little oil in there. So that way the pizza topping will grab onto it. And then you can take and you can put some of your pizza seasoning in there.
Put all of it in there?
Nope, just a little bit. Well, it all depends. If you like all of it, then you put all of it in there. If you just want a little bit, like we said before, cooking's all about what you like and what you enjoy. Look good?
Yes.
All right, then you can fold it over and shake it up. See, a simple and easy fun treat to do, right? Yeah. All right, so now we're going to talk about, we'll try that in a little bit. Now we're going to talk about that instead of using popcorn, maybe you would like to use a rice Chex. Kind of like your Chex mix, but just use the rice Chex. And this time we're going to make a hot chocolate rice Chex mix. So we're going to take a little bit of the coconut oil.
So did you know that rice Chex is gluten-free? So if you have any friends that can't have gluten or wheat at a birthday party, this is something that they can eat.
You can use your hands if you want. I trust you. You washed your hands before you got here?
Yeah.
Perfect. Always remember that. You're supposed to wash your hands before you do anything. Then you're going to take a little of your favorite hot cocoa, your instant hot cocoa mix that you like, and you're going to put that on top of there. And same thing, we could have done this in the bag. We could have put it in the bag, and then they can add all their toppings and shake it up. So you can toss it that way. You can get in there, take your hands, just get it, make sure that it's all coated.
Perfect.
What do you think? Is it coating enough?
I don't know.
How about we add just a little more oil to it? A little more oil. Toss it up again. I'd say let's shake on some more hot chocolate mix.
All right.
And if you're worried about sugar, you can always buy some sugar-free hot chocolate mix.
Whoa.
Oh, that's
all
okay.
right. Messes are good in the kitchen. That means we're having fun, right?
Yeah.
Are you having fun?
Yeah.
You just want to eat, don't you?
Yeah.
That's usually what everybody wants to do. Then we're going to add the marshmallows. You can dump them. You like marshmallows?
Yeah.
I'd dump them all in.
All right.
Perfect.
Awesome.
And there you go. You have a rice Chex s'mores mix. So you could do this, like I said, with the popcorn. Same thing. Take the coconut oil, put it on the popcorn, toss everything in there. You could actually do the pizza topping on the rice Chex mix too. So it just all depends on what you want. So you know what comes next, Jack, right?
eating.
Exactly.
The best part.
So we'll give you your popcorn.
Oh, that smells good.
You can have both. How'd you do?
Good.
You like it?
Do you think your friends would like it at a
Did
party?
you do a good job? Nice.
Awesome.
Well, Jack, we have made everything for Ruby's birthday. We've done what? Popcorn?
Popcorn. We did this. We did cupcakes, and we did the ice cream.
Yeah.
What do you think's missing?
Ruby.
That's right, Ruby's missing for her birthday party. Yay! Happy birthday, Ruby! Yay! Well, that's all for today. We hope you enjoyed this episode of Ruby's Recipes. You can watch this episode online and get a look at today's recipes at wbgu.org. See you next time.